Good afternoon, guys. Just a quick breakdown here with RUNE against USDT. I don't want to overcomplicate things. I want to keep this short and sweet just to show you guys how market structure works, what we can expect moving forward in the near future, and the overall bias for RUNE. So we started the first leg of the cycle, the 2nd of November 2020, where we started at 0.35C. We came up, we made an all-time high of $21. Which is phenomenal. Let's just take a little look there. So what RUNE managed to achieve in the space of 189 days was 5,823%. You won't find a bank or any other investment, to be honest, that's going to pay you that type of return in less than a year. So anyway, back to topic. We made that type of gain on the way up. We had a little bit of a correction where we've met the bottom of a parallel channel. Now, just looking at this part of the chart here, guys, from year back, historically, we pushed up, we made a higher high, we then created a higher low. This would have been a phenomenal opportunity, not financial advice, common sense, for people to get into the market at $3.45. Now, what we'd be looking to achieve overall, guys, with RUNE, like I say, we made a higher high, we made a higher low. We'd be looking to make a higher high. The target we have for the higher high is around $51 to $50. Before making a pullback to retest broken all-time high before continuing the rest of the run between $150 to $180. Now, just looking at this chart in front of us here, guys, we can clearly see the market structure, higher highs, higher lows. We can clearly see the market direction. We're bullish. So previously on the phantom analysis, we could see we were at the top here of the parallel channel. Again, people are going to say to you, we're going to go up, 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 up. Yes, we've got to go up. But even RUNE having this pullback here, it's still bullish because we didn't break down past 0.35 cents. We could have still come down to $1.80 and been bullish. However, like I say, we formed an area of support. Now, on the daily time frame we've got here, guys, we formed a resistance. Let's take a little look. We have a look here. Yeah, we formed a resistance. So we made a higher high, higher low. When we had the higher low, we came up making 1, 2, 3 tests to break out above this resistance line. We failed. We came down. We managed to make a higher high off the resistance and a higher low off the bottom of the parallel channel again. What do we know from previously looking at this? Every time we meet the bottom of the structure, they were good opportunities to accumulate. And every time we got to the top of the structure so far, these were good opportunities to get rid of some of the assets and then rebuy back in at better opportunities. For example, people would have been selling here at $21. They would have been buying back into the market at $3.45. It's a no-brainer. So we came into this squeeze here, guys, with the channel, like I say, where we came down, squeezing. We managed to find a small floor at around $7, where we then rocketed up, smashed out of this resistance, breaking the structure, where we've came up to a resistance area of $17.30. So again, this white line you can see here, guys, is basically a smaller time frame structure. So we were having a bit of a bullish run after breaking out of the higher time frame structure. We pushed up, we made a little bit of a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Still, this is a crucial area, higher low. We have broken below the 4-hour support, but what we're seeing is now the market stalling in between the 50 and the 20 exponential moving average. Ideally, what we would like is for this previous little area of resistance here, which became a support area, we would like this level to hold. But being fair with the markets and let them do what they do, we could still see RUNE pop down and retest $12 or $11 before continuing back up. Now, this box here, guys, that's all that was. That was a trade that I took on this position. Let's have a look. 20x leverage, banking 119.6%. Yeah, so I just wanted to stop in, guys, and like I said, I really want to just stress to people that this market, it doesn't matter how much money is flowing into this thing, a pullback is inevitable. It's always going to happen, and they're created to destroy hodlers. They're created to destroy people who have no knowledge on chart analysis. Fundamentals are great. That's amazing. We see things on the news about BTC. We see things on the news. That does not mean that it's instantaneously going to affect the asset class. We have to take into consideration the pullbacks and everything else in these cycles in order to maximize gains. None of this is financial advice, guys. To me, like I say, I've made massive losses in this game. It's taken me a long time, but now I'm actually able to be at the point where I can provide you guys with common sense analysis for you to take away and hopefully protect your capital. So as long as we can hold above $11, guys, as long as we can hold above $9.40, as long as we can hold above $7.70, we're still bullish. Ideally, like I say, we could even come down to $8.30, bottom of the parallel channel again before pushing back up. Personally, I don't think that's going to happen. Small term target again, $21, break the all-time highs, and then overall for RUNE, we're going to be looking between $150 to $170. I hope you can clearly see this chart, guys. Like I say, I don't want to make things too complicated. I just want to show you the structure, show you the market direction, and show you what actually happens. We had this pullback here, we were still bullish. We've had a pullback here, we're still bullish. We can have a pullback here, we are still bullish overall. There's no need for anybody, unless you're a trader, to be looking at these time frames, because they will scare you into thinking we're in a bearish market or no. But they will also help you to secure profits. For example, 4-hour time frame, we were seeing a lot of rejection from the $17 region. We can take profits. If the market keeps going up, so what? We've secured some profits. If the market comes down, we can buy back in at a cheaper price. It's a win-win situation, guys, and as long as you can map that into your brain, take it away, jot it down, make notes, you will succeed in this game. And I wish I had people to help me when I was starting out rather than being scammed. But that's that really, guys. Just wanted to drop the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and there'll be much more content to come.